So yeah guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to install Badlion client on TL Legacy. It is TL Legacy, not T Launcher, because uh, T Launcher has spyware on it and I don't want to get spied on, and you guys might as well. So switch to TL Legacy. And yeah guys, let's get right into the video. Firstly, what you need to do is download this zip file from the description of this video, extract it. After extracting, you will get this folder, open it. Now what you need to do is press Windows plus R, type in %app data %, click on enter, go to .minecraft, go to libraries, the libraries folder, and copy Badlion lib and Optifine over to the libraries folder. I'm going to do that real quick. Yeah guys, 1 second, one folder left. I have shifted it. Now open the Badlion lib folder that you just copied, copy the contents inside it, go to .minecraft, paste it there, and next what you need to do is open the versions folder inside .minecraft and copy the Badlion client 1.8.9 folder from the BLC folder to the versions folder. Yeah guys, that is done. Now what you need to do is open TL Legacy. I'm just going to do that real quick. Yeah, it is opening. Yeah guys, it has opened, and you just have to search for Badlion client 1.8.9 in here. That will be this right here, and click on this 3 lines thing or whatever it is called. Go click on launcher and game preferences, click on configure, and there will be a Java argument in the description. Copy that and paste it here in the Java argument section. Click on done, click on save. Now you are ready to launch. I will be back once it launches. So yeah guys, the game has launched. Now we can just hop into a world or whatever. I'm going to hop into a world for now. 1 second guys, let me turn off the sound, or else you won't be able to hear me. You can just hop into a world and just I will show you the mods. This is a pretty old version of Badlion, I would say. I think this is Badlion 2.0 or whatever. I do not follow Badlion client. So yeah guys, we can just take a look in the mods. Yeah guys, these are the mods. Let me just disable motion blur. Yeah guys, 1 second. Let me just reduce the render distance. So yeah guys, the mods probably are very diverse. Even in this older version of Badlion, like you have the old animations mod, armor status mod, auto GG. You have all the essentials, and plus you also have some extra mods, like maybe I would say extra mods are coordinates and direction FOV changer. These are all extra mods. I don't think many people use it. Pack display is used by many people. Yeah, there are a lot of mods. There are a lot of mods to be used, and I would say the motion blur in Badlion is very good. I would say this is the old blur, so I think this is the old blur. I'm not sure. I think this is the old blur. I'm not sure. I have probably never used Badlion. Anyways, let's just go up and try to speed bridge. Yeah, just 1 second. Yeah guys, it is pretty good. Performance is pretty good. I am recording right now, so you might be able to see that I am only getting about 60 to 70 FPS, or sometimes even lower than 60 when I look at the ground. I am sorry for that, but it is what it is. I don't get that good FPS while recording, so what to say. Without recording, I would probably say I get about 150 to 200 FPS in Badlion. It is pretty good. This version of Badlion has the fastest launch time. It will launch pretty fast, so I would say that is not bad. So yeah guys, that is the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.